Shocking, she crushed aspirin. This is what happened to her hair. Before this, she suffered from severe hair fall and dandruff for several months and tried all the remedies and doctors. Until she came up with this amazing magical formula to get rid of her problem using aspirin. Yes, you heard it right. Aspirin helps to treat minor ache and pain, but it is also a remedy that can help get rid of dandruff, hair loss, and repair damaged scalp. This amazing remedy has shaken social media. Are you worried about hair loss? Do not worry, and don't worry, and never delay. Treat it before it gets too late. Women's try all the expensive hair salon to make the hair healthy. You have probably never heard of this secret and magical hair mask. Applied in your hair and very soon you will see the amazing look of your hair. Cheap and homemade aspirin mask is going to give you hair gorgeous look rather than your expensive saloons. This fantastic remedy is going to shock you. Before using any new medication, consult your doctor. Aspirin contains salicylic acid, which is the active ingredient present in many anti-dandruff shampoo. How to use this magical hair mask? It has two processes. Number 1. Crush aspirin into powder form until and mix it with your shampoo and apply on your scalp and rinse in a few minutes. Next step. Number 2. Crush 4 aspirin tablet, mix honey or lemon juice and apply it on your hair and leave it for 10 minutes, then rinse it. People who have thin, dry and damaged hair do not use this remedies. Thanks you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and press like button.